You have to talk about this mother plane because he was talking about it and I didn't understand it.
This plane makes whatever this is in reverse. This is designed as a tool to make a whole line of planes. And there would be, for every plane you're going to make, you have one of these, a mother plane. So this is going back prior to about 1850. So everything was done by hand. So they made planes by hand. So this was a plane to make planes.
You said it was Russian made, right, George?
It's either Russian or Ukrainian. I can't tell you which. And there would be, in the shops, there would be thousands of these.
Yeah, one for every.
One for every profile you would have and every size. Think about Ohio Tool catalog. Okay, open up the Ohio Tool catalog and it shows you a number 620, for example. And then it says it comes in 3/8, half inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8 of an inch. So that means they would have to have a mother plane for each size.
Wow.
Imagine maintaining all the mother planes too.
Yeah.
Those get heavy use, right?
That's right.
That's
When
awesome.
I gave it to him, it was looked like it was going to fall apart.
Oh.
It's old.
Yeah. That's awesome.
It was pretty rough looking. What'd you put on it? Linseed?
Linseed oil,
Yeah.
like probably 3-4 coats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems so delicate, you know?
Yeah.
This too.
Yeah.